been thinking about you all day, baby. Just waiting on the sun to go down. But you say I'll pick you up after work, slide over and slip out to the outskirts of town. Grab a blanket and a fifth of comfort, little something to knock out the edge. Supposed to get a little cold here tonight. Guess I'm gonna have to hold you so tight. About a mile off Old Mill Road, a spot where nobody knows. Park the truck and we'll take off running. Hurry up, boy, I hear it coming. Got a moon and a million stars, the sound of steel and old boxcars. The thought of you is driving me insane. Come on, baby, let's listen to the night train. Oh, the night train. Yeah, I think it's gonna be a long one. If we're lucky, it's moving slow. Oh yeah, it could last all night, as long as I can be by your side. About a mile off Old Mill Road, a spot where nobody knows. Park the truck and we take off running. Hurry up, boy, I hear it coming. Got a moon and a million stars, the sound of steel and old boxcars. Park the truck and we'll take off running. Come on, baby, let's listen to the night train. About a mile off Old Mill Road, a spot where nobody knows. Park the truck and we'll take off running. Hurry up, boy, I hear it coming. Got a moon and a million stars. Oh yeah, oh, I wanna take you there. Oh, and listen to. Come on, baby, let's listen to the night train. Let's listen to the night train. That was my cover of Night Train, so hope you guys enjoyed that. Have a happy new year.